नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं बीएनसी मीडिया चंडीगढ़। ICAI का JW मेरिट में हुआ अवार्ड फंक्शन। पूरे देश भर से आए थे CA और रिसर्चर। देखिए पूरी रिपोर्ट, तब तक खबरों को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, देखते रहे बीएनसी मीडिया चंडीगढ़। गुड इवनिंग, माई सेल्फ जगदीश शर्मा। राइट नाउ वी आर इन होटल JW मेरिट चंडीगढ़। टुडे इज ICAI इंटरनेशनल रिसर्च अवार्ड 2024. All over India CAs are coming here to the award ceremony, and we are going to inside to award ceremony.
I request all of you to keep rising, and the ones who are sitting, please.
यशस्वत्तेषु जागृति यशस्वत्तेषु जागृति
where this country has a capacity to be the leadership role. I am giving now this artificial intelligence. We have delivered as a true and fair opinion on that various data has been provided to the child. Artificial intelligence talks about if you have verification of the large capital asset.
Award in the category of taxation. And you all will be really happy to know that in the category of taxation, the silver award is also going to one research paper in which Mr. Shubham Garg gets the honor. So I request Mr. Shubham Garg to please remain on the stage with us, because next award also you have to receive on behalf of the other authors as well, along with you. So the silver award for the taxation is for the research paper. Shubhamji, I request you to come back on the stage because you have to receive the silver award as well. So this research paper is titled Implication of Authors who are not here, Ms. Priyanka, Mr. Kanpal Narwal, and Mr. Sanjeev Kumar. Let's hear it for all of them. And now in the taxation category, the bronze award goes to the research paper titled Tax Planning and Tax Avoidance in Permanent Establishments under Direct Tax Laws in EPC Contracts, Creating a Sustainable Framework. And the honor of bronze in the taxation category. आपकी तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट इतनी कम तो नहीं होनी चाहिए। Our next category is accounting. And let me please tell you that in the category of accounting, the gold award goes to the research paper. Chatterjee on the stage. Let's hear it for him. In this category of accounting, our next award, silver award, it goes to the type research analysis. I'd like to invite the authors on the stage, Ms. Bhavna Thawani, Mr. Vishal Panigrani, So we have on the stage the silver awardees in the category of accounting. And next we are going on in the category of economics, and the gold award in this goes by like many of the authors. I will be taking their name one by one, but Mr. Manav Kumar Chakma is present over here, so I request economics gold award is to the Mr. Manav Kumar Chakma is receiving the award. The other authors of this paper, Dr. Devashish Badatyal, Mr. Harsamkyan Halam, Mr. Sudhir Kumar Sen, Dr. Rupa Sinha, and Mr. Kareem. Please put your hands together for them. In the category of economics, the bronze award is for this young lot, Dr. Abhinandan, Mr. Deepak, and Mr. Sanat receiving the honors on the stage. Let's hear it for them. Finance, and in the finance, gold award goes to the paper that is titled Investment Modeling Between Energy Futures and Responsible Investment. Tanush Dr. Ujjwal Swaran. Please put your hands together for them. Let's have a round of applause, my dear friends. So we are inviting these authors on the stage. And along with these two authors, there have been two more authors, Miss Alicia Palma, Dr. John W. Goodwin. So two of the authors are present over here. In the finance category, the silver award for them. Let's have a round of applause for your bodies. And now, my dear friends, I would like to bring into your notice that we had two of the more awards, but for those authors are not present here physically, but I would really like to announce.
Good evening. We are right now in JW Marriott Hotel, Chandigarh. Today, I think you got, sir, bronze medal?
No, gold medal.
You gold medal. So, what about you say about that, sir?
Actually, extremely grateful for this award. I'm very happy that I've been called here. I have come all the way from Tripura to collect this award, and very thankful to the research committee ICAI for doing this, and extremely grateful to my co-authors as well. 5 of my co-authors who have contributed immensely and their hard work and dedication for this award. So I'm grateful for that.
You are CA in Tripura.
I'm not CA. I'm researcher.
Oh, you are researcher, sir. Yes. He is your friend, sir.
Yes.
He also got a gold medal.
Yes. He got two medals.
You got 2 medals, sir. Congratulations, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
So you got 2.
चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। ज़्यादा खबरों के लिए देखते रहिए BNC मीडिया चंडीगढ़।